Alright, I'm gonna do some more with factoring quadratics. I showed you earlier about factoring a quadratic when your leading coefficient was a 1. So in this case we got a 3, so they're a little bit trickier. It's a little bit of trial and error involved, but I'll show you what we do here. So we're gonna set up two sets of parentheses, and we're gonna split our 3x squared up here, and factor 3 with a 3 here and a 1 here. And then x we're going to split up like we did before, but now this time we have a 3 out here. So now we want to find factors of 7 that we're going to put in here, and when we FOIL it, we're going to end up back here. So our middle term will be a 10x. So there's two possibilities here. We could do a 7 here and a 1 here. 7 times 1 is 7. Or, I'll go over this way. We could do 3x. Instead of putting the 7 first, we'll do the 1 first. And then over here we'll have x plus 7. Because when you multiply these two together, you're going to get different things. So one of them is going to give us a 10x in the middle. So when we FOIL, we do our first terms. 3x times 1x is 3x squared. Outside terms, 3x times 1 is 3x. Inside, 7 times 1x is 7x. And then 7 times 1 is 7. So when we combine terms, we get 3x squared plus 10x plus 7. So this was the correct factorization of that. So this is a possibility, but when we multiply it together, we would not get this here. Just so you can see it, we get 3x squared on the outside, or the first terms. Outside terms, we get 7 times 3 is 21x. 1 times x is 1x. And 1 times 7 is 7. So when we combine our x's, we get 22x. So that is not factors of that. So it's trial and error. Sometimes you're going to have multiple factors of this, your constant term out here. So in that case, you've got to list all your possibilities. So again, it's trial and error, but check your work by multiplying whatever you factor, like here, just to see if you come back to what you started with. That's it.